The Russian S-70 Okhotnik is a long-range stealth combat drone. The Sukhoi S-70 is capable of carrying out solo missions and can also work in coordination with fifth-generation Russian aircraft such as the Su-57. Okhotnik is a highly intelligent system capable of solving various tasks individually, in groups, and together with manned aircraft. A new, more discreet variant of the Okhotnik was anticipated when the revised design model was shown at the International Aviation and Space Salon, outside Moscow, in August 2020. According to previous reports, the Okhotnik was supposed to be powered by a variant of the AL-41F turbofan engine. The same engine is equipped on the Su-35 flanker multi-role fighter as well as on earlier versions. While it's unclear whether the new prototype is powered by the same engine, the engine exhaust has been completely rebuilt, with a new flat jet nozzle to reduce the UCAV's infrared and radar signature. According to reports, a new prototype of the Okhotnik unmanned combat aerial vehicle has been revealed recently, featuring a more stealthy nozzle configuration that is said to improve the drone's low observation capabilities and combat efficiency. Work on Okhotnik is one of the main directions for Sukhoi and UAC. The new flying wing was unveiled on December 14 at the Novosibirsk Aircraft Production Association. The UCAV inauguration ceremony was attended by Russian Deputy Defense Minister Alexei Krivoruchko. The launch of the UAV marked the completion of the overall assembly of the product, equipping it with all the necessary onboard equipment according to the requirements of the aircraft, and the transition to complex ground tests to prepare for the first flight. This is the same time that the first prototype Okhotnik made its maiden flight. While the details remain unclear, the UCAV was reported to have been flight tested with some sort of aerial missile in December 2022.